Hi, I am not a real human, but I can still communicate with you because of our technology that allows you to create talking avatars like me. So what are you waiting for? Let's create your own. Watch the video till the end without skipping. If you like the video, comment your thoughts and subscribe.
Hello viewers, let's be ready to turn your ideas into animated stories. Let's go to app.artflow.ai. We are going to explore this website. This is very easy to turn your ideas into animated stories and let the creativity flow. Here you can find FAQ. Let's click on Join Artflow. Create an account, or you can log in with your Google account. You can find different portraits and images from here. You can search too. You can also generate your own portrait or photo by clicking on Image Studio. First you need to set the content type, like which type of content you want to generate by selection of these four options. I want portrait. Now it is a prompt. Portrait of a young girl looking at the camera wearing white t-shirt. You can add style as well. Let's flow. It has generated the photo. As you can see, you have 4 variations of the photo. Now go towards Video Studio. Choose any image background. You can also upload your own photo, or you can set green screen to apply background later. Now choose the portrait photo you had created. Adjust the photo. The best part is you can remove the background from here. After setting the photo and removing the background, go to the dialog, choose any voice that suits your project. Enter dialog or script. You can apply effect as well. Then export. Title your creation, then go. Wait few seconds for the result. You can create up to 30 videos per account for free. Please subscribe to the channel, it makes me feel good. Like this video and share your thoughts about artificial intelligence in the comment box. That was the tool. It is really incredible and easy to use. Once it renders your video, click on it, then download.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is intelligence perceiving, synthesizing, and inferring information demonstrated by machines, as opposed to intelligence displayed by non-human animals or by humans. Example tasks in which this is done include speech recognition, computer vision.